Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce pages. This is essential for creating a functional online store, as properly configured pages ensure your customers can browse products, complete purchases, and navigate your site smoothly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site, as this will give you access to all the tools you need to manage your online store. After logging in, turn your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see your WooCommerce menu among other options. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your online store, from products to orders to the pages we'll be setting up today. Now, to set up pages on your WooCommerce site, click on Appearance in your left navigation menu. This section controls the visual presentation of your entire website. You'll be presented with all the themes you can use as your page's appearance, giving you a variety of design options to choose from. From here, click on the editor. This is where the real customization begins. You'll be directed to your WooCommerce web store page. The editor interface gives you a live preview of how your store looks to visitors, which is incredibly helpful when making design decisions. To set up pages, look at the left navigation and click on Pages. This is where all your site's individual pages are managed and organized. You can set up your pages from here using several tools at your disposal. Click on the gear icon to see all the properties and sort options available for your pages. This icon unlocks advanced settings that let you control how pages are displayed and organized. An option to customize by clicking the three-dot icon is located here as well, offering even more fine-tuning possibilities for each page. If you wish to edit a specific page, simply click on Edit. You'll be redirected to your page editor screen where you can add elements and customize menus to match your brand and store requirements. This editor is intuitive and allows you to drag and drop components, adjust layouts, and create a shopping experience that's uniquely yours. Take your time exploring these options as they form the foundation of how customers will interact with your store. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your WooCommerce pages, giving your online store the structure it needs to function effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.